Hi, I'm Pat with Stellar Roofing. We're here in Rochester today doing a 16 square roof. We are keeping everything protected. The large catch-all system that we use, we pull that taunt. He's setting up right now to take off this eyebrow above the two windows here. That we will pull that out so all the material slides out and away from the landscaping to minimize any damage on the bushes and flowers that are behind there. There are times where we'll be attached to the home and we will pull it tension on the tarp, and we'll tie it off to a tree that's localized to the home to better divert that material off and away from the house so it doesn't all lay against and fall down towards bushes and landscaping at the house. The age of the roof is pushing 20 years, and with the shingle loss, they wanted to go to a better shingle with the IKO Dynasty, which is a much longer lasting product than they had on the house. Guys are getting on their underlayment now with ice and water, and then we will continue to start to shingle the top and then start to take off the lower sections here, the eyebrows and over the porch overhang. A lot of times when the houses are this close together, we have to minimize some of the materials coming off the roof. There are times where we will have to set plywood up against another house, a neighbor's house, protect their property as well. Here we're able to keep most of the debris in the yard of the homeowner here. They have a pool filter system, filtration system in the back that we have covered up, a pool in the back as well. So we want to keep those things covered up and through the whole process until the roof is done and then get that cleaned up. This is Emerald Green that we have here that's going to go on this house. As you can see, the older color was a green as well, so the customers chose to stay with the green. Another stellar job here in Rochester. My name is Pat. Thanks for watching.